Commercial Concrete Pumping in Danbury, Connecticut supports faster schedules, cleaner job sites, and more accurate placement for commercial construction pumping, structural concrete placement, and commercial slab pours across Fairfield County. A commercial concrete pump service can move ready-mix concrete pumping into tight access areas, remote forms, and elevated pours while reducing labor and material waste. For contractors needing concrete placement services in Danbury, Connecticut, the combination of heavy-duty concrete pumps, on-site concrete pumping, and concrete pour coordination helps keep projects moving efficiently from start to finish. A commercial concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut is often the best choice for parking lot concrete pumping, sidewalk concrete pumping, retaining wall concrete pumping, and commercial site concrete placement Danbury jobs. Using a concrete pump truck or boom pump rental allows crews to place concrete exactly where it is needed, even on congested commercial properties or active construction zones. Whether the project calls for fast concrete placement, pumped concrete delivery, or commercial concrete pumping services in Danbury, Connecticut, the right equipment improves productivity and consistency on every pour. Foundation concrete pumping in Danbury, Connecticut is essential for commercial building pads, footings, and deep foundation work where precision matters. A concrete pumping contractor can deliver foundation concrete pumping, slab concrete pumping, and commercial slab pumping Danbury projects with reliable flow and controlled placement. For builders searching for Danbury, Connecticut foundation concrete pumping or concrete pumping near Danbury, Connecticut, a Fairfield County commercial pumping contractor can provide the right setup for both large-scale pours and detailed site work. High-rise concrete pumping and industrial commercial concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut require advanced equipment and experienced operators who understand vertical and long-distance placement challenges. A Danbury commercial boom pump operator can handle boom pump services Danbury, Connecticut for towers, warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and other demanding commercial structures. With commercial concrete placement Danbury Fairfield County projects often involving complex access points, boom pump services and heavy-duty concrete pumps make it easier to complete high-volume concrete pumping Danbury jobs on schedule. Commercial concrete pumping Danbury is ideal for projects where a concrete pump truck cannot easily reach the pour area, including back lots, interior slabs, and restricted access construction sites. Line pump services are especially useful for commercial concrete contractor Danbury, Connecticut work that requires flexibility, precision, and minimal disruption to surrounding operations. From job site concrete pumping in Danbury, Connecticut to concrete delivery and pumping Danbury, Connecticut, line pumping solutions help deliver ready-mix concrete pumping efficiently across Western Connecticut. Danbury parking lot concrete pumping and commercial pour service Danbury, Connecticut are critical for contractors working on retail centers, office parks, industrial yards, and municipal improvements. A Danbury, Connecticut concrete pump truck can support commercial concrete placement Danbury Fairfield County with smooth, continuous flow for slabs, aprons, curbs, and drive lanes. When commercial construction pumping needs to happen quickly and cleanly, concrete pumping services in Danbury, Connecticut give teams the ability to place large volumes without slowing the project down. Ready-mix concrete pumping in Danbury, Connecticut is a smart option for commercial slab pours, industrial floors, and structural concrete placement where quality and timing are important. A Danbury commercial concrete pump company can coordinate with suppliers and crews for concrete pour coordination, pumped concrete delivery, and commercial concrete placement Danbury Fairfield County timelines. This is especially valuable for concrete pumping for construction in busy areas where traffic, staging, and access must be managed carefully. Boom pump rental services in Danbury, Connecticut are often requested for projects that need reach, speed, and versatility on a single job site. With commercial concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, a boom pump can handle elevated decks, spread footings, and wide commercial slabs while reducing the need for extra wheelbarrow work or relocation. For contractors comparing Danbury area concrete pump rental options, choosing a Western Connecticut concrete pumping company with dependable equipment and responsive dispatch can improve both efficiency and pour quality. Industrial concrete pumping in Danbury, Connecticut is a strong solution for plants, distribution facilities, and utility-related projects that require durable placement methods and consistent output. Commercial concrete pump service teams use on-site concrete pumping and concrete placement services to support trenches, machine pads, thickened slabs, and specialized foundations. When a Fairfield County concrete placement services provider understands the demands of industrial sites, the result is better control over flow, placement speed, and finished surface quality. Commercial concrete pumping services in Danbury, Connecticut help streamline everything from slab concrete pumping and foundation concrete pumping to high-rise concrete pumping and commercial site concrete placement Danbury work. Contractors searching for a Danbury, Connecticut ready-mix concrete pumping partner or a commercial line pumping Danbury specialist can benefit from a reliable commercial concrete pumping company that serves Danbury, Fairfield County, and the surrounding Western Connecticut market. With the right concrete pumping contractor, projects gain faster placement, better access, and a smoother overall pour process.